I'm Bhavit. I work for a technology company. I'm a dad with 2 kids. I've been struggling a lot with sleep, and I've tried many different aids to fall asleep. The doctor recommended taking some medicine because the challenge was staying asleep at that point in time. Doxepin worked, but I would wake up not refreshed. So yeah, that's been the difference with my Somnee. I'm not exhausted, and when I wake up, I am refreshed. Over the few months that I've been using it, I've noticed consistently that I fall asleep a lot faster. Actually, when I put on my Somnee and start the process, more often than not, I'll forget that it's on and I'll fall right asleep. And consistently waking up more refreshed with more energy to be able to, attack the day. I know that when I put on my Somnee, it is the trigger to start sleeping, and I go through the process every night now, and that's been my new routine. If I were to tell a friend about my Somnee, I'd say the sensations are, it's a mild tingling feeling that I've noticed. When I use my Somnee and I wake up refreshed, my mood's better, right? Kids will tell me that, hey dad, you're not so cranky today, right? And definitely at work, I'm more focused. The amazing thing about it is I travel for work a lot, and it's so easy to take it along with you. And instead of relying on other aids to fall asleep with the different time change, I still use my Somnee wherever I am to fall asleep. Trying something like my Somnee, which only takes about 15 minutes of your day, and getting a good night's sleep is worth its weight in gold, right? So I absolutely recommend my Somnee.